Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Foldable phones are already quite impressive when unfolded, but next year's most anticipated models could take things to an entirely new level. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7 are rumored to feature larger screens compared to their predecessors. This exciting update comes from Ross Young, a trusted source for display-related leaks. He suggests the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will have the same screen sizes as the special edition previously exclusive to South Korea. If you missed that exclusive model, the Z Fold 7 could be just what you're looking for. Let's dive into all the exciting details and leaks. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to feature an 8-inch main folding screen, a boost from the 7.6-inch display on the Z Fold 6. Additionally, its cover screen is rumored to grow to 6.5 inches, up from 6.3 inches. These enhancements mean a more immersive user experience with extra room for productivity and entertainment. Significant upgrades are also expected for the Galaxy Z Flip 7. Its foldable screen might increase to 6.85 inches from 6.7 inches, while its cover screen could expand to 4 inches from 3.4 inches. These larger displays are likely to deliver brighter visuals and greater energy efficiency, thanks to advancements in display technology. Samsung may introduce larger batteries in both the Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7. These devices are also expected to feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite CPU, promising improved performance and energy efficiency compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 used in current models. While many fans hope for the inclusion of a groundbreaking 200-megapixel camera, fresh leaks suggest the Galaxy Z Fold 7 might stick with the 50-megapixel main camera seen on the Z Fold 6. Although this may disappoint those seeking cutting-edge camera tech, there's still hope for wider availability of a special edition model with a 200-megapixel sensor. Samsung's foldable lineup could soon see another game-changer, a dual-folding triple-screen smartphone. This innovative design could redefine functionality and versatility, making the future of foldables even more exciting. What are your thoughts on the potential upgrades for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7? Are you as excited as we are? Share your opinions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech news and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.